Hi guys, today we are on chapter 7, lesson 5, and we're going to be talking about timelines. There are all different sorts of timelines and different ways that you can show time elapsing on a timeline. This timeline is showing a schedule. So this starts at 6 a.m. and it goes all the way to 6 p.m. This is Lynn's timeline at summer camp. So it shows you what happens at each time. So she's going to wake up at 6, then she doesn't have anything until 8 when she goes on a hike, and then I assume that her hike will last an hour or so, and then it's pointing to sail between 10 and 11. So halfway between 10 and 11, or halfway past 10 o'clock would be 10:30, you got it. And then we go to lunch at noon. Here's another halfway between 1 and 2, so it's going to be 1:30. Crafts at 3 o'clock, and then she doesn't have anything until dinner. Okay, look at this one right here. This is a little interesting. Here's 5 o'clock, here's 6 o'clock. It's not halfway, it's closer to the 6. So I'm going to guess that that's showing dinner at 5:45. So you're going to answer these questions down here. And then this question at the bottom, we'll talk about this real quick. On a timeline showing the order that the children in a family were born, Amy is to the right of Jeremy, Randy is to the left of Jeremy. Draw the timeline. So it's just going to be ordered by people. You're not going to really have any idea of their actual age because it's not giving you any numbers. And then over here, you're going to write them from oldest to youngest. You may also be looking at a timeline like this. And if you have this timeline, this one has different years on it. And it says, read the timeline from left to right. These are Ray's important events in his life. And you might see a lot of timelines like this. So we have 95 all the way to 2003. And then your job is going to be to fill in the bottom with all of the different events. So if you got a dog in 1998, this is still included in the year 1998. So from here to here is 1998, and then it switches over to 1999. So his dog could be right here. He moved from New York City to Maine the year before 1996. So I know what comes before 1996 is 1995, and it could be any time in that year. So it's going to be the same year until it switches over to the next year. All right, I hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions.